Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at this electric spinning scrubber. Now this is going to be great for your bathrooms, kitchens, any place that you have, surfaces that need to be scrubbed. This is going to be great for your toilets, your sinks, things like that. I have a dog and a duck in my household, so there's always some type of mess on the floor or other places. So let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. All right guys, so the first thing we're greeted with is our starter manual. We may come back to that at some point. Here's the actual scrubber arm. Take a look at that. Very futuristic. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, let's see, how does this adjust? So you press in like so and you can adjust it. That's pretty cool. You have your power button right here. You have your USB-C here for charging it like so. Just plug in your USB-C cable. I'm sure it comes with it. Let's see what other accessories come in the box. Ooh, we get a lot. Let's check it out. So we get this little buffing pad. That's really nice. We get a few different types of pads. So you get like a sponge pad, you get a scrubber pad. We get this little scrubber pad, as you guys see, and these are detachable, so you can just stick those on. That's really nice. We get some brush heads. This is kind of prickly. This is going to be great for getting into those little nooks and crannies. This is probably going to be one of your favorite brushes right here for getting into those little nooks and crannies. So yeah, that's a nice brush to have. We also have your standard scrubber brush, which is really nice. A larger scrubber brush, same type of bristles. We get some extenders. So those are going to connect. I'll show you guys how that looks here in a second. And we get our handle. So the handle also is going to connect. And we also receive a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging this. All right, so let's put this together and I'll show you guys how this looks. All right, guys, simply enough to attach everything. You're just going to connect to the very end here. Now this is the extender. So this is going to go into here like so. Screw that guy in. That's in there pretty tight. And then you can attach. Now you have a full setup for this guy. And then when it comes to attaching any of the brush heads, you guys can see they all have this kind of hexagon shape here, and those just press in like so. And then you're pretty much good to go when it comes to scrubbing with this guy. And I love the fact that it has the ability that you can, change the angle of it. That's really nice. Let's see if this thing has any power. Let's try turning it on. All right, as you guys can see. And we have 100% power on this guy right now. And even while it's on, you can still adjust the angles of it, which is really nice. Yeah, this is a really, really nice little brush, guys. So if you, again, are looking for a way to efficiently clean your hardwood floors, your tile, your restrooms, your bathrooms, your showers, sinks, toilets, all of those kind of cool things, this guy is going to be a win. Definitely check it out.